Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to block Grammarly ads. If you are looking to block Grammarly ads while using the free version, here are some methods that can help. First is to use an ad blocker extension on your browser. Install an ad blocker extension like AdBlock or uBlock Origin in your browser. This extension can prevent many types of ads from displaying, including Grammarly ads. After installing, configure the ad blocker to block pop-up ads and notifications from Grammarly website. Second step is to disable Grammarly promotional notification. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to Grammarly. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now click on Account option here. And under the Profile section, you can see Email Preferences. Click on Update Preference link. A new window will appear like this. After that, click on Unsubscribe from all email lists and click on Update My Preference button. These settings won't stop in-app ad, but it will reduce email promotions. You can also consider upgrading to Grammarly Premium. Grammarly shows more ads on the free version to encourage upgrading. If you are a frequent user and want to remove these ads, you might consider upgrading to Grammarly Premium. Paid users experience fewer or no ads and get access to more features. These methods can help reduce or block Grammarly ads so they don't interrupt your workflow as much. So that is how you can block Grammarly ads. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.